All right, what is up, everybody? Welcome back. This is gonna be a pretty cool video. This video, I've been trying to get this one done for a minute and finally had a chance to get around to it. This video is gonna be about one of the best human-made curated content Instagram pages y'all have to follow. When I say have to follow, I highly suggest y'all follow this Instagram page. It's called Futuristic Gears. I've been following him since I started my YouTube channel. I think I found him or he found me, I can't remember. He was my go-to guy at the beginning of my YouTube channel. Like, he was giving me like updates on what's gonna drop before it dropped. Like, he had the drop list before anybody else had the drop list, so I knew it was gonna come out like 1 or 2 days before the drop. He has one of the best human-made curated content Instagram pages on Instagram, so please go follow my boy. With that being said, I'm gonna just show y'all a few things on his page. When y'all follow his page, y'all know what y'all get into. It's a really good page, trust me. You're gonna see some things you may not have seen before for human made, because like some of this stuff you have to follow some, like he follow people that's around Nigo that has inside scoops on certain things, and he just repost it and put it up for everyone to see in one place. So we wanna get to the video, and I hope y'all enjoy this. Let's get it. So this is his page right here. Feel free to follow him. I have a link down below to his Instagram page. So he got Futuristic Gears to his main page, and he have human-made fake alls and human-made trading posts. So fake alls, he upload content, let you know what's fake and what's real, and how to distinguish between the two. I did a video on this Instagram page already to learn the difference between real and fakes with human-made. Also, human-made trading posts is another human-made page he had created to sell things like archive pieces, so y'all go follow that as well. So we're gonna really focus on this page right now. We're gonna make this, it's gonna be a pretty fast video. Nigo birthday just passed, I think a day or two ago. Happy birthday, Nigo. Also, this is one of the pictures that with him and the people that works with him on Human Made. Next, we got a picture with him and Lil Uzi. Like, this stuff y'all probably want to see just out there on the internet unless you really go deep diving and looking for it. I don't know how he find this stuff, because I be trying to find it sometimes and I just can't find anything. So that's why I come to his page. I think I've seen this before. Nigo posted it, or he just posted it right after Nigo had posted it. So Nigo is coming out with an album with people that that he's cool with that are rappers, and then the album is called I Know Nigo. And we got Pharrel, Kid Cudi, A$AP Rocky, Lil Uzi, Pusha T, Family. I think I'm saying that right. Teriyaki Boys, if you wanna know, if you live in Tokyo, from Tokyo Drift, that song, you know who Teriyaki Boys are, and Tyler Creator and more. So I'm interested to see what this album gonna sound like, so I'll be looking out for that. Next, so these are iPhone cases that we could probably see come next year. The Human Made store in Harajuku. You probably be able to pick these up right now if you want. So we could probably expect this spring summer 2022. So they're probably something to look out for. I don't know if it's spring summer 22, but I'm sure it may be spring summer 22, and I will be getting one of these cases for my phone. Also, I didn't see these online until I seen them on here. He came out a whole bunch of varsity jackets for his for family and friends. Well, really just friends that he's close with. He got cos made. Everybody got their own custom again, because he did these before with these bomber jackets with these custom like one-offs for people. So he got cos made, Pharrel made, Verdi made, Uzi made, Daniel made, Rocky made, Tyler made, Pusha made, Cudi made, and that's all he had made these varsity jackets for. And these jackets look really dope and clean with all black and that black leather just help pop. Good shit, Nigo. I really do like that, and I'm glad he's using more of the Storm Cowboy as well, because he's been lacking on it. I need more Storm Cowboy, bro. Also, something that I found really interesting that homie been doing on his Instagram page is called 100 Sitting Nigos. So he did this before last year. He did 100 Sitting Nigos. Just Nigo just sitting down showing off his fit. and he's back, homie, back on it again. Deep dive and find these pictures of Nigo just sitting wearing human made. These like some really dope ass archive pieces that I would like to see come back, or he just used that old art style that he used to use, like with the human made when he first came out with. Yeah, it's hard to find these pieces, man. That's why I'm kind of glad he dropped this stuff, because some of these pieces you may not see or you may not even know of, and it's just interesting to see these pieces, because you may want to go find these somewhere online for yourself to cop. But again, they're gonna be hard as hell to find these. So he got some stuff, Verdi stuff, since Verdi is really close with Nigo. Also, these are some of the archive pieces that he's been selling on his archive page. Everything already sold out. I wanted to get some of this stuff, but it was just too small for me, so I didn't buy anything because everything was just too small. Because when Human Made first came out, the biggest size they went up to was probably like a XL, I think. So, and I prefer 2XLs than Human Made because it fits better on me. So I didn't want to get an XL and it'd probably be already pre-shrunk and it's probably smaller than what it is. So I passed on this stuff, but it's dope seeing him doing this, like doing like an archive drop for people. Also, we got some Louis V, Virgil, and Nigo collab going on. This is, man, this is why I'm glad I got this page, because I really don't follow Louis Vuitton, but this helped me see what Nigo got going on with the high-end fashion stuff. And also RIP to Virgil for sure. And again, it's another dope archive piece, man. I wish Nigo would go back to this old style. Like this one right here is fire. It says, your archive is on fire and you can only save one item. What would you grab and why? And Nigo said, for a collector, I think there is only one answer to this question. If I can only have one item from the collection, then it's better to let it burn. And I completely agree with that. The reason being, what's the point of keeping that one item if everything gonna burn? Just throw that one item you want to save in that fire with everything else and start over with something new. So I just like stuff like this, it's just hard to find. So I really appreciate this kind of content, and it's just really dope seeing somebody do this and take the time out and post this stuff every single day. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I will catch y'all next video. Catch you back out. Peace.